And there have been a few times in history when astronomy has changed the way that we see the universe. One of the times was just longitude, figuring out where you are on the globe Earth based on the stars. Another time was the Copernican revolution, and that's what the exhibit is partly about. It talks about how people in the Western world believed that Earth was the very, very center of the entire universe, and that everything rotated around Earth. How self-centered can you get? And then Copernicus figured out that the sun was the center, and Earth and the planets revolved around the sun, but people still thought the sun was the center of the whole universe. Ultimately, people realized that the sun was just one of 100 billion stars orbiting our galaxy, and that our galaxy was one of upwards of 100 billion stars. And so what we're trying to do in exoplanets is to go one step further and take our Earth away from being the very center of everything by finding planets like Earth and by finding planets with signs of life on them. What we'd really like to do is to be able to take our children or grandchildren or nieces or nephews out to a very, very dark sky. And in that dark site, to be able to take them and to point to a star and say, that star has a planet just like Earth. That's our whole goal, and that's the thought that I want to leave you with tonight. Thank you for your attention.